He got us both in. Oh my god, and
Well, it's not all the way back. I'll do better than... Oh, shit. I'll do better than I thought. I'll do better this time.
me too. Ah! Fuck off! Ow! God, he can get you with the whole thing. Oh my god. Woo!
All right.
Ready?
Wait. Yep.
Hit the spray card!
Well, I got it twice that time
Yay!
instead of once
Awesome.
the first time.
Awesome, 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 awesome. This is maddening. Oh my god. Ah.
Ah! Bruh. Thank you for the bruh, JRs. No shit.
Jeff! Ah!
I died. Don't die.
Oh!
Oh,
Okay.
there, wait. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Ah!
Fuck. One more nail will probably do it.
Okay. Oh my god. No! No! Ah! He got us both again, that motherfucker! 2 for 1 shot again. This shit's not fair. Oh my god, are you joking me? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Third time's a charm, right?
Yes. Ah!
Oh my god.
Ah! Oh god.
Just take a little off the side.
Oh my god. That gets me every time. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Come back. Whew. Just in time.
Oh, yeah, just in time because I
Come on,
died.
come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get on,
Come
get on, get on, get on, get on.
All right.
Ah!
Oh,
No!
no.
It's
I
alright.
wasn't-
I know. It went away too fast.
That
Oh.
would have ended it.
Ah. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh. Ah. Come on down. Just stay. Fucker.
All right. All right.
All right.
No, it needs one more nail yet, probably.
All right.
Oh. Oh, it's probably just gonna do this.
Ah,
Well.
okay. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. All right. We gotta stay away from each other too, so it never gets both of us at the same time. Oh.
There we go.
Okay.
This is it. This is it.
Woo! This is it.
That's it. Ah! I don't know how many times, Jay. That many. However many times that was.
That took
was
like 4.
7 times.
At least 4.
No, I would hit. I'd get 2 nails in it every time.
Oh, on that, yeah.
So that was probably 7 hits to get it. The hammer looks like a dog
It does look like a pupper.
with the ear, the nail.
No! Look at me! I'm whole! I'm whole!
I'm whole.
You saved us from that rusted toolbox! Thank you, May. You are a true hero!
Oh, thank you, Hammer.
Hey, what about me?
She's so proud of herself.
I
Oh
was
my
part of
God.
this too.
Yeah.
Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to
See?
the
Oh, of
Look at her.
course, of course! Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
Yeah, she's a bit, yeah. I'd have to agree.
Step on board.
Really?
Okay, you sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay, ooh.
This doesn't feel
400.
safe, I'm not sure.
Just relax.
400 times.
Okay.
Don't
Just
worry,
relax.
you
It's gonna be
will
fine.
very
This will be
precise.
fun.
Sebastian, sling it.
We got yeeted.
Yeet.
Oh no.
Rose!
Leaving.
Rose, wait! We need your help!
Desperately.
Mom and Dad, don't close the door.
She gone.
No, no, no!
And this asshole is here.
Hey, Buck.
Rose!
He's
Oh,
bish.
stupid buck!
Oh, you
The stupid book.
Now we're stuck in here. Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare at the closed door,
Yay.
you miss.
She does seem like she blames everything on him too.
FYI, there is only
Yeah.
one door in this shed.
and one window.
Good thinking, May! Woo! Let's go to the window. Woo!
Let's go to the window.
To the window. Woo!